I basically convinced Nasir to direct a short film.
Yeah.
His older friends who were his collaborators wrote the script in one day. We went and shot it the next day. It's a spoof of Kranti Veer.
I love people who think about stories over numbers because I'm an artist and numbers are not my job.
तो फारूक से ये भी बुलवा दिया उन्होंने कि राइटर बाप होता है.
हाँ, ये लाइन वही इम्प्रोवाइज की थी.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how jet lagged are we?
15.
15?
I think.
Adarsh Gaurav in Toronto for the international premiere, the world premiere of his film Superboys of Malegaon. Hi.
Hi. Hi.
How's it going?
It's going really well. I'm a bit disoriented because
Yeah, on a scale of 1 to 10, how jet lagged are we?
15.
15?
I think.
Did
Yeah.
you like arrive less than 24 hours ago?
Less than 24 hours ago. That's right. We arrived at 4:30 p.m. yesterday. And so like my body clock is like all over the place. But I'm just trying my best to look as presentable as I can.
Congratulations on Superboys of Malegaon, dude. It's so nice and you're
Thank
so
you.
fucking amazing in it.
Thank you. Thanks so much.
विनीत सिंह को पकड़ लिया है हमने टोरंटो में at the international premiere, world premiere of Superboys of Malegaon. हेलो जी.
हेलो.
कैसे चल रहे हैं सर?
बहुत बढ़िया.
कितने दिन से हो आप टोरंटो में घूम रहे हो, टफरी कर रहे हो?
6-7 दिन हो गए.
6-7 दिन हो गए.
हाँ.
मजे के घूम रहे हैं?
बिल्कुल.
क्या क्या देख लिया?
नाइग्रा फॉल एंड टोरंटो के उधर जो आइलैंड है उधर गए. बहुत सारे दोस्तों से मिला.
अरे लवली.
कॉमन लोगों से मिला, उनकी कहानियां सुनी.
This is your first time in Toronto?
No, this is third time.
Third time in Toronto.
Yes.
Wonderful. पहले you've come to TIFF with films or?
Yeah, The Brawler, Mukkabaz.
Oh right.
Yeah, and before that, Bombay Talkies in South Asian Film Festival.
हाँ.
Yeah, so this is the third time.
But is this feeling most special than all the time और सारे के सारे ऐसे ही लगता है कि ये भी special है, ये भी special है?
नहीं, actually ये special है.
क्यों बताओ?
एक तो मेरे लिए because The Brawler, Mukkabaz, वो उसकी एक जगह अलग है मेरे दिल में. और टिफ में जो मैंने एक्सपीरियंस किया है उसके बारे में जो प्यार मिला है वो पहला होता है ना, तो वैसा है, तो भूल ही नहीं सकता.
Hi Shashank.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm very good. How are you?
I'm very well. You spent time in Canada before, right? You studied here, no, for a couple of years?
Right. I studied in Montreal, in Quebec, Concordia University, and right. So I have been here. Not Toronto as much as I should have, but Montreal.
How does it feel to be back with the film, with your work?
So this is my second film at TIFF.
Yes.
This is my third film at TIFF, pardon me. Titli and Muthon in 2019.
Yes.
And now I'm here with this wonderful film, Superboys of Malegaon, right? And it's a cool poster. I'm wearing that in the film. And
Yes.
Yeah.
This is
I'm
a
the
shot
one who hung
outside.
it up and I was like, keep. No.
Correct. नहीं वो डंडा लेके ऐसे वो खींचता है वापस.
हाँ,
शफीक वो
बिल्कुल.
शॉट है फिल्म में.
मैंने हाँ सब production design नहीं. Sally White is an incredible production designer.
Yeah.
And she's done production design for us. And it's a pleasure to be a part of this film.
Now, this is obviously not your first rodeo at an international film festival. You've traveled with Titli, with Manto, traveled to a lot of places. Song of the Scorpions traveled to a lot of places as well. What is it about film festivals, Shashank, that you like, that's so special?
That you meet people who make films and they love films and that they love telling stories and they think about stories over numbers.
Yeah.
And I love people who think about stories over numbers because, we're not in... I'm an artist and numbers are not my job.
Talk to me about starting this film. When did this film first come to you?
So Varun Bhai and me actually shot for a short film together.
Kiss, which I have watched
That's
and
right.
loved.
Yeah. We shot for it I think in 2021.
Acha.
It was 2021, right before White Tiger had released, in fact. And that is when Varun Bhai first told me about this script that he was writing.
Yeah.
And I read the script and I was like, I've seen a documentary. And I was
You
like,
had already watched
I'd
it.
already watched it. Many years ago, like
Yeah.
maybe 6 or 7 years ago.
Yeah.
And I was just, it was so compelling,
Yeah.
the material. Nasir's character, the journey that he undertakes, the zeal that he has towards making films, but also the is piousness a word? The purity behind, like his intention behind making films,
Yeah.
I don't think Nasir ever started out making films thinking that, my film is going to make a lot of money. Like,
Yeah.
it was just about, there was a problem, he saw a problem and he wanted to solve the problem and he
Yeah.
wanted to have a solution. And his solution was to make his own films.
Yeah.
पिक्चर बनाएंगे कोशिश तो करते हैं यार.
This film came to you when then?
So this
Right after
basically
Kiss.
came right when we were working on Kiss when Varun Bhai told me about this script.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then I know you spoke about this a little bit on the panel right now, but I also heard from Varun Grover, and he told me this, that you went to Malegaon, you moved there. Talk to me about that, like staying in Malegaon. What did you do in Malegaon with Nasir?
I was just Nasir's shadow throughout. I
How
was
lovely.
just shadowing him everywhere. We went to all these places that he grew up, places where he would hang out, he
Yeah.
would chill. Also, like, it's incredible that the hotel where they would spend the most amount of time ideating and thinking and brainstorming about what to do next and how to execute it, it's called Adarsh Hotel.
Yes.
It blows my mind.
So wait, is that the place where you see all of them get together at the chai tapri? Is
That's
that
right.
actually Adarsh
That's
Hotel?
Adarsh Hotel.
Jiska owner chai wala plays Gabbar in the film?
No, he plays Thakur.
Thakur.
He plays Thakur. And that actor is my senior at drama school.
How amazing.
Yeah.
Serendipity
It's-
X Pro Max.
It's just incredible how things are like, they're also connected.
So you went to Malegaon.
So I went to Malegaon,
Huh.
shadowed Nasir, met all these people from the past. And then one day we were just sitting and we were like, why don't we make a film again? So I basically convinced Nasir to direct a short film.
Yeah.
His older friends who were his collaborators wrote the script in one day. We went and shot it the next day. It's
Yeah.
a spoof of Krantiveer. Literally
Obviously.
shot in like half a day. I produced it. Took us 20,000 rupees to shoot it. I was the producer. I was also the AD, the
Yeah.
only AD. And I was also shooting my own BTS and my own documentary of this entire process.
Yes.
Which is right now lying on my laptop that I intend to convert and like make it into a proper documentary as well. So it's, yeah, just things like that.
Was there something about Shafiq? Okay,
Yeah.
so for a little background for people who are going to watch the film in a couple of months from now, Shafiq is the Superman. Sort of the titular character, but Shafiq is the Superman, the actor who plays the Superman, just jinki film ki making ke upar wo documentary bhi hai. What was the challenge for you there? Were you a little scared to take on the responsibility of playing someone like that?
I was. It's nerve wracking. There's a certain there's this naivete to Shafiq. You know, he's a gem.
Yeah.
His love for cinema is something I felt deeply about. But I culturally, I'm not from. I'm from Delhi. I have no idea about Malegaon, and so I had to observe and research and speech, and so it was intimidating. But the moment I started working with Vineet and Adarsh, and you feed off each other,
Yeah.
and you pick, and so it just became a dance, and it's such a pleasure. And our DP Swapnil, he's a great guy to work with, and Reema, we
Yeah.
worked together on Made in Heaven, and
Yeah.
so this is the second time, and it was a blessing, man, to be a part of this film. And this film celebrates cinema, and that's what my whole life has been about. So
So
Like-
is that indie film industry in Malegaon still alive and kicking?
No.
Hmm.
So ever since YouTube came to Malegaon, the scene's completely changed. All those people who were making films independently then moved to YouTube. Some of them became multimillionaires. Some of them not very successful. Some people like Nasir altogether quit films.
Right.
He of course directed Malegaon Ka Chintu, which was a serial that ran for many seasons on Sub TV. And I think subsequently then he did a couple of other things. And then a few years ago he decided that he didn't want to make films anymore.
Because it wasn't just
And-
financially viable anymore.
I guess.
Yeah.
I'm not too sure. I think you should speak to Nasir what it was. But getting Nasir to direct this short film was truly a gift. Because like I saw sparks of the 26, 27-year-old Nasir in him. Like
Yeah.
every time he would call action and cut, and every time he would speak to his actors on how to do the scene and explain the scene to him,
Yeah.
he would instantly just switch, and there'd be like a very different side to
Yeah.
him. And it's just beautiful.
And he doesn't say action and cut. He has a very specific way of calling action and cut.
Yeah. He would say started.
Started.
Like, started!
Unlike Adarsh, you didn't really get to spend time with the person that you're portraying, because Shafiq unfortunately is not around anymore. And in fact, it was the month of September that we've read stories, news stories about that the last screening happened of this film, and then he passed away soon after. Is there a challenge to portray somebody who you can never meet?
of course it's a challenge. It's a challenge to try and do justice to their life, and the people who know him, I don't want them to feel hurt. And for me, the most important part is that when his daughters see this film, they think of their dad like the most amazing person ever. And I think that's part of the reason I made this film, is for his two little girls. And I think that I hope they see it, and I hope they think he was just a rock star, and that's it. Mission accomplished for me. That's
तो मुझे अब आप सुपर बॉयज ऑफ मालेगांव के बारे में बताइए. फारूक जो कैरेक्टर आपने प्ले किया है, मैं भी रीमा से बात कर रही थी कास्ट करने के लिए, और जब मैंने डॉक्यूमेंट्री देखी यहाँ से विनीत तो फारूक जैसा दिख रहा है, फारूक जैसा बैठा है, फारूक जैसी आवाज भी निकाली है आपने. Have you worked on your voice also? Little bit, na?
Sucharita, actually, फिल्म मेकिंग एवरीबडी नोज इट्स अ डायरेक्टर्स मीडियम,
Yeah.
और बहुत सारे लोग मिल के एक एक्टर को किरदार के पास तक पहुंचाते हैं। लाइक फरूक के जो कपड़े हैं
हाँ.
वो कॉस्ट्यूम डिपार्टमेंट को क्रेडिट जाता है। फरूक का जो लुक है इन टर्म्स ऑफ हेयर एंड
हाँ.
मेकअप, वो हेयर मेकअप
Department के पास जाता है।
हर टीम
Correct.
उनके पास जाता है। राइटर वरुण ग्रोवर बहुत कमाल के राइटर हैं, तो वरुण ने फरूक से वरुण की मुलाकात भी हुई है लिखने के दौरान, तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें वरुण ने मेरे लिए आसान कर दिया। एंड ऑफ कोर्स द डायरेक्टर का जो विजन है, जो कई सारे इंटरव्यूज़ में बात ये आ रही है कि जो डॉक्यूमेंट्री थी उससे थोड़ा आगे जा कर के इन किरदारों के ज़िंदगी में क्या क्या है उसे कैसे खंगाला जाए, तो वो कहीं ना कहीं रीमा का प्रयास था, तो उस चीज़ ने बहुत आसान कर दिया। बाकी एज एन एक्टर मेरे लिए एक चैलेंज ये था कि रीमा ने जो 20s के बॉयज़ हैं सारे, उनके बीच में मुझे खड़ा कर दिया।
लॉन्डो के बीच में पहुंच गए हम।
तो
शादीशुदा रिस्पेक्टेबल मैन।
तो थैंक्स टू रीमा, उसकी वजह से मुझे फ़ायदा होने वाला है, तो एक वो तैयारी करनी थी। बाकी मालेगांव के बारे में मैंने काफ़ी कुछ सुन रखा था।
हाँ.
बहुत सारी चीज़ें मुझे पता थी।
डॉक्यूमेंट्री देखी थी आपने ये पहले?
हाँ, डॉक्यूमेंट्री देखी मैंने, घंटों की फुटेज देखी। उनकी जब भी फिल्म आती थी तो वो कैसे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं वो देखा है, कि कैसे थम्स अप और कोका कोला और फैंटा ग्लासेस में डाल के वो एक दूसरे को, जो VVIPs वहाँ पे थे,
हाँ.
उनको वो दिया जाता था, वो देखा है। एंड फरूक की अपने फादर के साथ जो रिश्ता था वो बहुत ही अलग तरह का रिश्ता था।
पेचीदा था थोड़ा,
हाँ,
एटलीस्ट अगर
तो
फिल्म पे
फरूक
विश्वास
जाफरी
करें तो।
की ज़िंदगी में फैमिली के नाम पे बहुत सारी उथल पुथल जो थी, उसको समझने की कोशिश की।
Yeah.
एंड कुछ कमाल के बंदे थे वो फरूक जाफरी। हर कोई उनकी कहानियाँ बताता है, हर किसी की ज़िंदगी में फरूक ने कुछ न कुछ एक ऐसा टुकड़ा दिया है
हाँ.
याद के नाम पे, कि हर कोई बोलता है यार वो बड़ा बिंदास बंदा था, मतलब कोई किसी के साथ गलत कर रहा है तो उसके लिए खड़ा हो जाएगा, भाई तू
Super.
गलत क्यों कर रहा है, तो कुछ ऐसा फरूक था। तो
फरूक की जर्नी के साथ रिलेट किया आपने वैसे? मुंबई आना,
हाँ,
थोड़े से धक्के खाना, धूल
हाँ.
फांकना,
खूब सारे धक्के खाना,
बहुत सारे
And,
धक्के खाना।
फरूक के जो इंटरव्यूज़ हैं उसमें फरूक ने बोला भी है, एंड फरूक एक वक्त के लिए ही केम टू मुंबई ऑल्सो, एंड समहाउ ही रियलाइज, जो फिल्म में भी आप देखेंगे
जी।
कि दोस्तों ने तय किया कि फिल्म बनाएंगे, जिन्हें फिल्म के बारे में कुछ नहीं पता,
हाँ.
उन्होंने फिल्म बनाई, और उस प्रोसेस में समहाउ एक उठापटक शुरू हुई दोस्तों के बीच में फट गई,
हाँ.
दोस्त अलग हुए और सब ने एक दूसरे को पुश कर दिया, फिर सब अपने अपने तरीके से ज़िंदगी में कहीं निकल गए। फिर ज़िंदगी ने उन्हें कुछ सिखाया, वो ज़्यादा वाइज हुए, वापस आए, और फिर एक किसी बड़े खूबसूरत रीज़न की वजह से सब वापस इकट्ठे होते हैं, फिर से फिल्म बनाते हैं, तो वो ज़िंदगी में मैच्योर हो जाते हैं, फिल्म मेकिंग के ही प्रोसेस।
This also looks like you guys had a freaking blast when you were there together,
did,
because
we
you're
really
all
did.
friends and this group of like.
We weren't friends. We didn't know each other before the film started. I mean, I was a huge Vineet fan and I was a huge Shashank fan.
Who is it?
Who isn't, right? Like, I remember watching Shashank in Titli and thinking that this is the kind of work that I want to do. Like, at a point in time, not many years ago, like 5 or 6 years ago,
Yeah.
would idealize the kind of work Shashank was. And it's just truly incredible how life pans out, and then you get to share screen space with them. And I think it was when we started hanging out, when we started like being vulnerable in front of each other in the workshops. We all had moments when we broke down. We all had moments when we were so joyous and
Bye.
celebrated. Yeah. It was truly that, like, you know. So I think that the process of it solidified a bond.
Talk to me about working with this cast. Obviously, it's mostly boys, but
right. A couple of girls. There's
Shafi
Riddhi Kumar,
you got to
and
act with Manjari Pupala as
Manjari,
well.
and there's Riddhi, and there's Muskan, and we have
Muskan
some wonderful
Jaffrey,
people.
yeah.
Right. Yeah.
I like that little. It's a little meta moment there because Muskan Jaffrey is Jagdeep's daughter, and there's a scene where you see a Surma Bhopali when you're remaking Sholay.
How cool is that, right?
It's such a sweet little meta moment that you know.
No, these guys, I mean, they're sitting there gossiping. I don't know where the other one is. That's the writer, and Adarsh and Vineet. I really, I don't want to sound obnoxious when I say there's few actors in my country I really look up to.
Yes.
And I worked with some of them and I love them, and they love acting, and
Yeah.
and so that's all you want is someone who loves acting, is someone who loves acting. You're like, hey, let's do this together. Let's make mistakes. We're gonna mess this up 10 times, but we're gonna get it right once.
Yeah.
That's the only time you'll see. So I'm just blessed to be working with people who love their job, man. It's so great. And, yeah.
I think Adarsh Gaurav is your biggest fan, by the way. He said like
That's-
really incredible things about you in that corner over there.
He's such a wonderful actor. He is a legendly beautiful artist, and you guys will love everything he does.
अरे तुम लोग सब legends हो यार.
अरे
मजाक
यार,
थोड़ी है.
like मतलब Rima is there. She's put together legends. Good casting directors. Karan
Excellent.
Maligan. Yeah, great stuff.
फारूक के कैरेक्टर से मुझे लगता है वरुण ग्रोवर ने अपने मन का सबसे ज्यादा निकाला है क्योंकि वो लेखक हैं जो एक लेखक
बिल्कुल।
का रोल लिख रहे हैं.
बिल्कुल।
तो फारूक से ये भी बुलवा दिया उन्होंने कि राइटर बाप होता है.
हाँ, ये लाइन वही इम्प्रोवाइज की थी,
सीरियसली
या
टेल
वो
मी
निकल
अबाउट
पड़ी, अपने आप ही निकल
आपने
पड़ी।
निकाली वो लाइन.
हाँ, उधर ही निकल पड़ा, बिकॉज वरुण ने इतना कुछ लिख दिया था ना कि चीज़ें हो रही थी।
हाँ.
तो रीमा वो आज़ादी भी देती हैं, तो बस हो गया वो। ऐसा लगा फरूक ने मेरे मुंह से बुलवा दिया।
तो ये आपने
मैं ये
इम्प्रोवाइज
मानता
किया कि
हूँ। हाँ,
राइटर
उधर ही
बाप
हो
होता है.
गया वो।
हाउ अमेजिंग.
हाँ, वो रनिंग टेक में हो गया वो।
Lastly, Adarsh, tell me this, that the character that you played, Nasir, he has a very specific film school that he's made for himself. He used to watch BTS footage of like the making
Lehre.
of this film and
Yeah.
Lehre and
Yeah.
Subhash Gray's footage, and in the documentary he says कि कुछ Jackie Chan की film का BTS मिला, वो मैंने देखा, बहुत मजा आया. What is your film school been on a personal level as an actor?
I actually went to drama school.
Right.
I went to drama school Mumbai, but before that, I think it was just watching a lot of films and just experiencing. Now, in retrospect, I realized that my biggest film school was actually moving 13 houses in Bombay, which at one point of time was so incredibly frustrating because you couldn't even paint a wall a particular color because mom would be like, "What's the point? We're going to move in 1.5 years."
Right.
So the idea of home was absent in my life, but in retrospect, I think that's my biggest film school.
अच्छा, ये सवाल अभी मैंने आदर्श से भी पूछा कि नासिर की कहानी को जब हम देखते हैं डॉक्यूमेंट्री में भी, फिल्म में भी, वो बताता है कि उन्होंने कैसे फिल्म मेकिंग सिखाई खुद को. कभी मेकिंग देख रहे हैं, पुरानी फिल्मों की फुटेज देख रहे हैं, फलाना फलाना. आपका फिल्म स्कूल क्या है विनीत, ऑन अ पर्सनल लेवल एज एन एक्टर?
मेरे लिए मैं जब भी मुंबई आया था तो एक टैलेंट हंट के थ्रू चीज़ें शुरू हुई। एट दैट टाइम आई वाज इन मेडिकल कॉलेज। एक फिल्म मिली थी, वो फ्लॉप हो गई, तो फिर ज़िंदगी ने सिखाया कि इंडस्ट्री क्या है, कुछ वहाँ सीखा। फिर महेश मांजरेकर जिनके थ्रू मुझे पहली फिल्म मिली थी टैलेंट हंट में, ही वाज वन ऑफ द जजेस। उन्होंने एक दिन बोला, विनीत तुम सोचते अच्छा हो, लिखते अच्छा हो, जब तक कुछ होता नहीं असिस्ट कर लो। तो फिर एक फिल्म, 2 फिल्म, 3 फिल्म, ऐसे करके 7 फिल्में हो गई एज एन असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर। एंड वो अनुभव कहीं ना कहीं वो सारी चीज़ें, वो सारा प्रोसेस, स्मॉल डिटेलिंग्स मुझे हेल्प करती है।
जी।
बिकॉज बहुत अच्छे अच्छे एक्टर्स को मैंने ऐसे देखा है कि उन्होंने एक टेक किया तो मेरी नज़र ऐसी थी कि ये दूसरे टेक में ऐसा क्या करने वाले हैं। तो ऐसी ही चीज़ें मैंने सीखी और वो मुझे आज बहुत काम आती है। और सी लाइफ में कैसा होता है, जो कुछ भी होता है ज़िंदगी में, मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ किसी वजह से होता है। मैंने उस समय एज एन असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर काम किया था, मुझे नहीं पता था कि एक फ़िल्म ऐसी भी बनेगी जिसमें हम फिल्म बनाएंगे और कैमरे के पीछे होऊंगा। मैंने लिखा मुक्काबाज, और वो लिख के मेरी कंडीशन ये थी कि आपको मुक्काबाज बनानी है तो प्रोटोगनिस्ट मैं हूँ। तो जैसे फ़रूक जाफरी और नासिर शेख के
जी।
सपने थे, वैसे ही ज़िद्दी सपना मैंने पाल लिया। और लेकिन सी
पूरा हो रहा है ना?
वो हो गया, वो फिल्म पूरी हो गई। तो वो लिखना भी शायद ऐसे हो गया। और सी यहाँ पे जो किरदार भी मिला फ़रूक जाफरी का, इज़ राइटर।
Yeah.
तो सारी चीज़ें कहीं ना कहीं किसी वजह से होती हैं, हमें बाद
Yeah.
में पता चलता है।
You know, I asked this question to Reema right now. That was there a specific itch that you were trying to itch when you were making this film? What during the making of the film, did you feel like there are answers that you are looking for as an actor as well? And did you find those answers while making Superboys?
We're always looking for answers, and you find one little simple truth at a time. And it's about the simple truths you uncover about yourself, and you get closer to yourself, and you start, taking off your own layers as you understand someone else, and as you empathize with somebody else, you start empathizing with parts of yourself which you didn't know. And so with every project you understand why a little better, but there's no answer. It's not like you suddenly know the truth of this world one step at a time. It's just moment to moment, and you're just happy to be there and do it and be alive and do what you love, and that's all that matters, man. I hope you like the film and yeah, and people watch it.
You know I liked the film already. If I
I see.
watched it, if I didn't like it, I would be like, bye.
This film is terrible.
No,
Why
I wouldn't hang with you here.
I hope you should have just kept it to yourself. Yes, no. You didn't need to tell me. No, I'm, just kidding. I'm kidding. And no, I'm just proud to be a part of this.
Yeah, meko it's such a gift to watch you perform, Adarsh. I love watching shit you do, and it's like, you know, I look forward to seeing what are you announcing next, because you're exciting. You're an exciting actor.
Thank you. Thanks for saying
And
that.
I'm sorry to put you on the spot like that. You're a gift.
Oh, thank you.
Well, you're amazing in this film, and this film is done really, really. I mean, at least I hope it does really, really well when it comes out. At Toronto,
you,
it's done really well, and reviews are gonna be pouring in starting tomorrow once the world premiere is out. So
I'm
good
very,
luck.
very excited and very, very nervous equally.
It's gonna be awesome.
Oh, thank
I promise you.
Thank you.
Thanks, Adarsh.
Thanks, Sucharita. It's a pleasure.
It's a wonderful film. You did a great job, Shashank. Thank you so much for chatting with me today.
Thank you.
इंशाल्लाह ऐसे होती रहें और घूमते रहें पूरी दुनिया में अपनी फिल्मों के साथ लोगों को दिखाते रहें विनीत. It's always really lovely to chat with you, man. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.